Today we are going to cover 5 different digital products that you can create and sell while leveraging AI. And I wanted to make this video because it combines 2 amazing things. And one of those things being just selling digital products online, as it is an amazing way to make a passive income. And we're going to talk about leveraging different AI tools which can make our work a whole lot easier and even more passive. So let's get started and just jump right into the first digital product, and that is going to be a digital guide. And a digital guide is basically where you provide a little excerpt of something, just talking about how to do a specific something. And this could be anything, whether it be a guide on how to create a YouTube channel, or how to do perfect skincare, or maybe a guide on just how to eat healthy, or how to work out, or how to build abs, or just literally anything. For example, let's say you wanted to make a digital guide on how to write a college essay. For example, we could then head on over to a place like ChatGPT, which is one of the most popular AI websites, and we could put a prompt into ChatGPT saying something such as, "I'm making a guide on how to write a college essay. What are some important points that I should include within this guide?" And ChatGPT can really get the ball rolling and the brainstorming started here. So just to show you how efficient ChatGPT is and how well it works, I put this prompt that I just said, and it simply just gave me a bunch of different points that I should include, which is perfect because that's exactly what we asked. And ChatGPT touches base on a lot of different things that we should include within this guide, such as the purpose of your college essay. Why are you writing this college essay? And then it even talks about how to understand an essay prompt. And it also talks about how to brainstorm for an essay prompt. Think about what you want your essay to be about. But let's stop talking about essays because I do enough of those in my free time because I am a college student, so enough. But in summary, in order to create an online guide, you just have to create high quality content that resonates with a specific audience. For example, like we just talked about, how to write a college essay. That would apply to different college students. So that would be your tailored audience right there. And then somebody like me could buy this guide from you and use it in her own essays. And then you can design this guide by finding different templates online, or you can use different free editing software such as Canva, just to make your guide look professional and make it pop, make it fun. And then in order to sell this guide, of course, you're going to need to boost its visibility. You want people to see it, you want people to buy it. So next you could leverage different social media platforms to help get your guide out there. For example, you could even create an Instagram theme page that resonates with the niche of your guide. And then you could also promote your guide within this Instagram theme page. That way you know you're attracting the right audience that would actually want to buy your guide from you. And then you can utilize selling platforms such as Amazon or Gumroad to get these sales and get your money. And then maybe another great idea would be offering different promotions or bundles for your customers. And even today, I was buying stickers for a club that I'm in, and I needed a bunch of stickers, but I was like, shoot, I'm going to have to pay $3 for each of these stickers. But then I found out on Redbubble, if you buy like a certain amount of stickers, you get like 50% off. So you could offer that with your guides. And honestly, when selling digital products, that is something that can really drive those sales. The next digital product that I have to sell while leveraging different AI tools is going to be resume templates. And think about it, anybody who has ever had to work a job ever most likely has had to put together a resume. And most likely, if you're putting together your first resume, or maybe even your 50th resume, you're gonna need a little bit of help and a little bit of guidance. At least I know for me that would be true. But knowing that so many people have put together a resume just goes to show how much resume templates are going to be needed. And I have personally even utilized different resume templates to make sure that I'm providing all the necessary information within my resume that I'm creating. And using AI tools to create these different resume templates can really streamline the design process, and it won't have you overthinking anything because AI is there to help you. AI design tools such as Canva can help you find different visually appealing enhancements to add to your resume template and just to overall create this resume template. And I would start by thinking, what type of resume template are you going to create? Is it going to look more modern? Is it going to look more fun? Is it going to look more professional? Or you could even utilize something like ChatGPT, again, to get this ball rolling and get you brainstorming what does somebody need to include within a resume, and then include that within your resume template. And then after you create different AI-generated resume templates, you can also later on add your own personal touch and add some things that you might think it needs. And Etsy was surprisingly a great place that I found that you can sell these templates on. And using these different AI tools can help you create more resume templates at a faster rate. And when you're creating these resume templates at a faster rate, then it ensures you that you can reach out to a broader audience, meaning you can create resume templates for a doctor or for somebody who edits videos. But once you upload these resume templates to Etsy, they are accessible to the world, which honestly, in my opinion, that's what makes these digital products so appealing. They are accessible within the snap of a finger or within the purchase from your credit card. And as a seller, you don't have to be packaging up a product and selling it. It's all digital. You don't have to worry about inventory or shipping costs or any of that. And having this automation process can really make your work more passive, meaning you can just sit back and relax and watch the money roll in from these resume templates that you worked so very hard on. Because we used AI, it's not very hard. But selling these different AI-generated resume templates can become a very steady stream of a passive income. Moving on to the third digital product that I have, which is going to be different digital art and digital patterns. But creating different digital patterns with AI is going to be, in my opinion, one of the easiest ways that you can make a digital product. Because in all honesty, all you're doing here is giving AI a prompt, and then it creates this digital art for you, and then you can sell it. And you can sell these AI designs on places such as Etsy again. And there are so many different AI tools that can help you generate this art in literally seconds. For example, Adobe Illustrator's Pattern Maker can create different patterns for you. Or Deep Dream Generator is also a platform that can do this as well. I would start by defining what the overall theme of your patterns or designs are going to be. For example, do you want it to be a more pink and pastel theme? Using AI tools, you can put prompts into these AI generators for exactly what you want. Do you want a floral pattern? Do you want a striped pattern? And just think, in the olden days, we would have to draw up these sketches of these designs and sell them. And that's just so much work, too much work, and now we can just use AI and create artistic designs in literally seconds and sell it for a profit. And also, I am being sarcastic when I say the olden days. People literally still do that, and that is totally fine. We're just talking about a lazier way to be making money. And selling different AI-generated artworks and illustrations on a place such as Etsy can be a great passive income for a multitude of reasons. And one reason that it makes it such a passive income is the fact that all you have to do is put a prompt into an AI generator and you're basically done. The next step is just listing your design on your storefront, but that's relatively very easy and would literally take a few minutes. And then it is also a passive income due to Etsy's automated delivery system. And then again, when somebody buys this artwork from you, you don't have to worry about inventory or shipping or any of that boring stuff. Etsy will do this all for you because this is a digital product. And having this automation process means that you can continuously earn money from literally wherever. You could be in your bed or at the beach or maybe out to dinner with friends. And then I also wanted to provide an example of what this digital artwork may look like. For example, I found this shop called Louis Vanel, and I'm sorry if I butchered the last name, but this Etsy shop just sells different digital patterns that people can use for different projects. Meaning somebody could use this digital pattern for a scrapbook or for their YouTube channel. And these products only sell for around $4, which doesn't seem like a lot. But for this shop that I found, the Louis Vanel, this page has made 3,493 sales from when I'm looking at it right now. And that would be roughly just under $14,000 in profit, which is not bad for something that literally takes no effort at all. And as well as selling AI patterns, you could be making AI artwork, and you could be selling these on places such as Fiverr or Upwork, or again, even Etsy. Moving on to our fourth digital product, and that is going to be AI written content, or even ebooks. AI writing assistants such as ChatGPT or Jasper AI can help you create written content to sell digitally. And this could look like anything such as starting up your own blog or selling an ebook or selling a guide. And you can sell these different digital products on places like Amazon Kindle or even from your own website platform. Creating an ebook with AI tools involves several steps that can streamline the creation process and the selling process. First, you can use AI-powered writing tools such as ChatGPT or Jasper AI to not only just generate content, but generate ideas and gain knowledge if you're writing about something that you don't really know what you're writing about. But of course, if you are using an AI tool to write anything such as an ebook, I would suggest you go back and you read what the AI has written, because you don't want anything in your ebook that doesn't make sense. And you want to make sure that this book looks like it was written by a human, not a robot. So add some personal touches here and there. And then once the content for inside the book is written with the help of AI tools, you can also use AI to create the cover of the book. There are so many different AI-driven design platforms out there that will include different templates, such as Canva. And then to take it even a step further, you can leverage different AI tools to help you sell the book as well. Meaning you can utilize email campaigning or different sponsorships to help get your ebook out into the world. And then additionally, AI can help you optimize your selling process. And what I mean here is just optimizing pricing strategies or analyzing different market trends to see what is trending and what you should make an ebook about. And then, like I said earlier, you could sell this ebook on places like Amazon, or you could sell it on a place such as Gumroad as well. And then to make this deal even sweeter, I wanted to talk a little bit about something that is called a low content book. And a low content book could look like something like a coloring book or a journal or an affirmation journal, or even something like a notebook. And creating a low content book could look like combining the strategies that we talked about in this video with creating an ebook and creating different digital AI artwork. Now let's move on to our fifth and last digital product, and that is going to be logos. And what we do with this digital product is just create different logos for people to buy for their companies. Tools such as Logo Joy or Adobe Illustrator can help you come up with these different logos to sell. All you have to do is begin by inputting specific criteria that you want to match the logo that you're creating. And this could just mean, do you want a minimalist logo? Or do you want a colorful logo? And after you input these different decisions, the AI can generate something based off the criteria that you provided. And selling different logos can be a profitable venture because so many people out there are starting their own businesses and they want a logo to be made for their company. And you can offer these logo prompts for sale on places such as Etsy, Creative Market, or even your own website. Or you could even promote these logos on places like Instagram or TikTok. And by providing a variety of options, you can appeal to a lot of different companies, not just one specific niche of a company. And once these logos are created, they can be sold by digital downloads. And then to provide an example for you guys, I took it upon myself to head on over to Etsy and look at what types of logos are being sold. And I found an account on Etsy that is known as Logo Lane, and they are selling exactly logos. And a lot of these logos surprisingly cost a lot more than I thought they were going to cost. They cost around $50. And this page, Logo Lane, has around 15,000 sales, meaning they have made around $600,000 in profit, which is wild because you're literally just creating AI generated logos. Now today we've gone through 5 different digital products that you can create and sell while leveraging different AI tools. But one of the best ways, in my opinion, to promote something online in order to get sales is through social media platforms, but specifically through YouTube. And YouTube channels are constantly on the rise, and they are one of the best ways that you can be making money online today. So if you're interested in making money with a YouTube channel without actually having to make videos, make sure to click on the video right next to me. And it's basically like a free training course, if you will. But there's just overall a ton of value on how to get started with a YouTube channel, and you could promote these different digital products that we talked about today within a YouTube channel. So make sure to click on it. You won't want to miss it. And we'll see you guys there. Bye.